Go.
Use technique mock. Use technique ego. Use technique snake.
I kill you. I beat you. I kill you. I am a champion.
Use the technique dog. Use the technique chicken. Use technique cut.
uyu munsi zikora umunsi w'isabato umunsi wa karindwi umunsi wa karindwi burya abantu rero bajya gusenga abantu bubahiriza gahunda y'Imana akaruhuka n'imirimo yo mu isi.
Time to beat every Christian, to bring, to put them. Are you ready, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, to go, to beat, to every Christian from everywhere. What are you doing in here? What are you doing in here? Bring in here. No. Do you bring the gun? Do you bring the gun? Let me to beat them. Stand in here. Let me bless you for this. Do you bring the demons? No. Do you bring the evil?
No.
All right. God bless you so much. Okay. Don't forget, every morning, every day, clean your heart, clean your hand. Still home, clean your hand. Every morning, every day, continue. Clean here, clean this, clean your hand. Every night, evening, don't forget, clean this. Still home, clean. You see, clean. Don't give up. Continue clean. All right. Very good. God bless you so much. Okay, still home. Continue clean. God bless you.